वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे मेथड्स फॉर टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग मैथमेटिक्स, जो कि आगे आने वाले टीचिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए काफ़ी यूजफुल रहने वाला है। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आगे आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइमली मिल सके। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। Learning mathematics, inductive deductive method. It is perhaps the oldest and the most basic method of teaching as well as learning mathematics. All other methods in mathematics utilize this method in different degrees. This is a combination of two methods of induction and deduction. Inductive method. Induction is the form of reasoning in which a general law or principle is derived from a study of particular objects or specific processes. Induction is based on the logic that if something is true for a particular case and is further true for a reasonable adequate number of cases, then it is true for all such cases. Students observe the relationship among such cases which lead them to guess a common pattern. Thus, a formula or the generalization is derived at through a process of inductive reasoning. Let us study some examples. Example 1. 1 square equals to 1, 3 square equals to 9, 5 square equals to 25, 7 square is equals to 49. Where 1, 3, 5 and 7 are odd numbers and also their respective squared numbers, that is 1, 9, 25, 49 are also odd numbers. 2 square equals to 4, 4 square equals to 16, 6 square equals to 36, 8 square equals to 64, where 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers and so also their respective squared numbers 4, 16, 36, 64. From first we get square of an odd number is odd and from second we get square of an even number is even number. Okay. Next is deductive method. Here the learner proceeds from general to particular, abstract to concrete and formula to examples. A pre-constructed formula or principle be told to students and they are asked to solve the different relevant problems with the help of the earlier formula. So in this method, first you give the relevant formula, principles and ideas to students and explain further its application of the formula to problems. The students in your class come to understand how the formula can be used or applied. For example, when you are going to teach about profit and loss, directly you announce the formula of interest, that is interest is equals to PTR divided with 100 and solve different related problems by using this formula. The students just observe your method of solving and then they memorize this formula for further use. Deductive approach proceeds from general rule to specific instances, abstract rules to concrete instances. Next is analytic and synthetic method. In analytic method, we break up the unknown problem into small, simpler parts and then see how these can be recombined to find the solution. So we start with what is to be find out and then think of further steps or possibilities that may connect the unknown, build the known and find out the desired result. The nature of the analytic method is that it leads from conclusion to hypothesis. It proceeds from unknown to known. In synthetic method, we proceed from what is given to proving what is required. To synthesis means to place together things that are apart. It starts with the data available or known and connects the same with the conclusion. It is the process of putting together known bits of information to reach the point where unknown information becomes obvious and true. Analytical proofs look somewhat disorderly, which they actually are not. Many are of the opinion that through synthetic method we get the proof, while analytic method provides the way to discover the proof. In that sense, methods of analysis and synthesis in mathematics are complementary to each other. Method of analysis and synthesis is applied for such problems in mathematics where if-then type of logic is needed. If a triangle is isosceles, then prove that the measures of the angles opposite to the sides of equal length are equal. In such problems, some hypotheses are given and under those conditions, some relationships have to be proved. In proving geometric relationships and algebraic identities and in solving algebraic problems, this method can be effectively used. सो गाइज ये था आज का टॉपिक. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. प्लीज़ इसे लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.